सीमा जी, आपने जो मुझे
Yeah,
असाइनमेंट के फोटो
thank
भेजे
you.
हैं, so you have successfully achieved the proportion, but there is only one small mistake, that the shape of the leg. तो वो सिर्फ आपको मुझे बताना
Yeah,
है।
actually, na, I think, हाँ,
बोलिए बोलिए।
I think I'm marking that knee portion. वो नी वाला जो है ना, मैं शायद वो रॉन्ग कर रही हूँ। एक बार वो नी का भी मेजरमेंट सिर्फ एक बार वापस बता दीजिए।
यस
मेरे को
यस।
ऐसा लगा जैसे मैं नी वाला रॉन्ग कर रही हूँ।
ओके, नहीं नहीं, मैं आपको बताती हूँ। टुडे जो एक सेकंड, ऋत्विक इज हियर। आज का जो हमारा सेशन है ना, उसमें वी आर गोइंग टू मेक 10 हेड एंड 10.5 हेड, राइट? So in that we are going to follow the somewhat the
Yeah.
same procedures. We will shape it in same way, but only there is a difference of a measurement. Okay, so what difference of measurement क्या है,
Yeah.
that you will understand today, and while I will draw the shape of leg in that time I will in detail discuss with you. I will show you how to draw the leg.
Okay. Okay.
So first of all, let's understand the proportion of 10 head and 10.5 head. So we are going to start with the basic procedure. I hope everybody has got their TK sheet A3 size and the pen and maybe pencil and the scale. First of all, we are going to start with the basic, that outlining your TK sheet paper, which I have already done. Now, what the next step I'm going to do is, I'm going to go from this edge 1 inch down, another 1 inch down, so total 2 inches down. I'm going to go from the edge, and I'm going to draw horizontal lines. Are you on clear on that? You have to draw total from the edge 1 inch down, and from from that line another 1 inch down, so you have to draw total 2 inches. So be ready with that. I'm going to do that in front of you only. You all can see my screen.
Vrishali,
Yeah.
shall we do this vertical? Sorry, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Shall we do this in vertical? Actually, this 10 and 10.5 head.
Yeah.
Hello.
I'm.
Shall we do that vertically? Actually, I think horizontally, I think 10.5 won't be done in that sheet.
नहीं, हम वर्टिकली करते हैं. We do it vertically only. See this. This is vertical. It's a long sheet.
Um, I am doing it horizontal.
No,
Okay.
no, no, no.
From that time, I am doing horizontally only.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So I'm drawing from the paper edge to 1 inch down, and another 1 inch down from this same horizontal line. So I have got total 2 lines. Lakshmi, have you gone through this pictures yesterday? Last session you were not there. So have you seen that, how we draw it? Have you got understood that, or
Yes, ma'am. I already draw those, ma'am.
you, sorry, what?
Yes, ma'am. I already followed you too. In break, please check the pictures, ma'am. Whatever
Wow, you forwarded
drawn
me.
by
Very
me.
nice. Let me check. Yeah. Because if you
I
don't,
already shared with you, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
great,
Yeah.
darling, great,
Okay, okay.
great. Because as long as I don't see your assignments, I won't understand whether you're doing it right.
Okay. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I already shared with you.
Okay. Yeah, I've got something from your side. Lakshmi, you were asking me about the head, right? So you have taken 2 centimeters. How much is the measurement have you taken for the head?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the measurement have you taken for the head?
Actually, 3/8, ma'am. T8 one side and T8 another side.
Okay, actually, today you will get answer to all your questions. Today's session, focus it and you will get all your answers.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
The one you have sent me, you haven't marked the
Okay,
position
ma'am. Okay.
of crotch. Otherwise, rest is okay.
Okay.
Rest looks good. I will have a check later, but I think there are some mistakes.
Okay.
Lakshmi. I will correct it and send you. So you all are basically doing
Okay.
mistake while drawing the shape of a leg.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. No
Yeah.
problem.
So basically, looking at Seema ji's assignment and looking at Lakshmi's
Okay.
assignment, I can see you both are doing the mistakes at the making the shape of the leg. But I will show you today separately that how to draw the leg shape.
Okay.
But before that, we will get started with our 10 and 10.5.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, let's just pay attention how I am doing. Just understand the measurements. I am going to write down also measurements wherever and whatever I am doing so that you'll get a better idea. So I'm going to start 10 and 10.5. First I will do 10 head, then I will do 10.5 head.
Something is disturbing. Okay. It's gone. Okay.
Now I have got these two horizontal lines, 1 and 2. Now I will draw the center line. These lines are looking dotted, no? Clear now? Better now? किसके यहाँ से इतनी आवाज आ रही है? Please mute yourself. किसके यहाँ से तो बहुत सारी आवाजें आ रही है. Kindly mute yourself. सीमा जी जरा कैमरा चेक कराइए.
क्या हुआ?
कैमरा का एंगल मुझे लग रहा है उल्टा हो गया था.
ओके, अभी तो स्क्रीन पे कुछ भी नहीं है.
हाँ, एक सेकंड ना. अभी मैंने फिर से
Ma'am,
कैमरा
your
सेट
screen
किया है.
not visible.
ओके. या हाँ, अभी क्लियर है.
उल्टा लग रहा है ना. उल्टा हो गया. पता नहीं, मेरा जब सुबह का क्लास होता है तो मेरा कैमरा अच्छे से रहता है. इस क्लास में मेरा कैमरा पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है इसको. और जो मेरा फेवरेट क्लास है. Because I want, हाँ, अभी it is fine, I guess.
I think because of me, because of
You are
me,
an
this
angel,
is your
no?
favorite class, right?
Angel wants everything. You are an angel, no? Lakshmi, I want everything special.
Oh my God.
So yeah, we got our
Oh
camera
my God.
set. So let's.
Thank you.
So I'm going to title this
Okay.
first. Here. Fashion figure block. Last time what we did first mechanical on one sheet, and on another sheet we did fleshing. today also we'll do the same thing. On one sheet we'll do only mechanical 10 head and 10.5 head, and on another sheet we will do fleshing so that it will be easier for you to understand. Ten head, 10.5 head. So now 10 head and 10.5 head मतलब कितने blocks बनेंगे? How many blocks shall we make?
11, ma'am. 11.
Perfect.
11.
Very good,
For
Lakshmi.
10.5.
Yes, total 11 blocks. Okay. So I'm starting from my right side. I'm going to mark 0 to 11 blocks. Abhi, pay good attention for 10.5 and 10 head because this is the mostly used one in the industry. This we use majorly. Either we use 10 head or we use 12 head. $11. The other side also I will make 11 blocks. Lakshmi, while drawing the basic one which you sent me today, did you get some kind of understanding? कैसे बनाते हैं?
Okay.
Did you get some kind of understanding?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, your screen is not clear, ma'am. I think I have a network issue. Are you? I don't know.
Hold on.
Ah.
I will make it with the pen directly. I'll use a darker pencil. Let me quickly make this 11 blocks. I have got my 11 blocks ready. I'm going to number it. The first side 0, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All 10 ready. And another side is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So now what I will do is I will find my 10.5 and I'll make a line on it. First of all, whenever you start making 10 head, 10.5 head, make a nice layout ready and then only start working on it. So I've got my 10.5 here. And the rest one, I will raise it off. So that it's very clear for me where I have to work. So now, let's begin. Lakshmi, for your understanding, let me give you a very quick formula for the head, because you were confused about what is should be the width of the
Okay.
head. What we are doing is we are going to measure for the head
Okay.
in centimeters. So what we have to do is you have to go from center 1 centimeter
Okay.
out both the sides. 1 centimeter one side, 1 centimeter another side. So total width is 2 centimeters.
Okay.
See, I've
Okay.
got 2 centimeter width, and here same thing I'm going to do from center, 1 centimeter out from the center. Clear? 1 centimeter both the sides. Now next thing I will do is
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
next thing I am going to do is I'm going to draw the straight line. Now at each step today I will show you how to draw the shape of a face. Just for your understanding, I will show you this. Today on advanced level, we drew the shape of a face. We have drawn the face, and I wanted to show you that. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Here you go. So today we did this face. Do you see the proportion and how we did it? Can everybody see it?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, so we did this phase today. It is on the next level, intermediate level. But then there is a kind of proportion what we have to follow for the face. But in order to understand the basic shape, you see it is an oval shape. It goes like a V, and then it's like a little bit little slant lines, and then the little round, and then same slant line and the V. So this is your basic outline of the face, which we are doing here on this. I'll show you how I do it. इसको ठीक से देखो आप तो आप अच्छे से फेस बना सकोगे. I am first of all making a small V. Yeah. And then I go little straight, and then I go little curve, straight, and I join it to the V. Similarly, same procedure I follow. And it's not necessary that you have to fix this face into 2 centimeter. It's not necessary. You can make a slimmer face. See, I'm making a slimmer face. It's an oval. This is my 10th head. And the last one is I just need 10 and a half. So it's gonna go like this. This we are not considering. So I'm going to number it. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10.5. 10.5 head I've got. Now the very first thing, Simaji, let's start. What's the very first thing we are going to find out? पहले हम किसे मार्क करेंगे? सीमा जी,
चिन्ह
आप पल्लू ओढ़ के किधर जा रहे हो?
सॉरी फर्स्ट चिन्ह मार्क करेंगे.
ओके ओके. Okay, I'm going to... mark the chin. So, Lakshmi, the 0 to 1 is chin. Right? You have drawn the chin
Chin,
here.
yes, ma'am. Chin, ma'am.
You have drawn the chin here, right? So 0 to 1 is
Yes,
chin.
ma'am.
Always
Yes,
remember,
ma'am.
now we are doing 10 head. So remember,
Chin, yes.
yeah, for 8 point, anywhere, 0 to 1 is always chin. Now the next step what we follow is, we have to find out our shoulder.
Chin.
So shoulder is,
Neckline.
where is the shoulder?
Neckline.
No. First we find our shoulder and then we find
Ma'am,
out.
neckline.
No, darling. After chin, we
Okay.
find our shoulder and then for neck.
Ma'am, can I ask you one thing, ma'am?
Yeah. Ask me.
Okay. Actually, ma'am, one half inch or what, ma'am?
I'll tell you. After
Neckline, ma'am.
See, you missed the last class, no, Lakshmi? You missed the last class.
Okay.
In that, I very clearly said,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
heard this concept that after chin, you find your
Okay.
shoulder. Shoulder is half of 1 to 2.
Okay.
Shoulder is the center of 1 to 2. You find your chin here.
Okay.
Number 2 is your shoulder. And between 1 and 2 is your shoulder. I will write it actually.
Okay.
Let's not get confused. 1.5 is your shoulder. Shoulder is 1.5. Now you're right. After chin is neckline. But where is neckline? Neckline is in between chin and shoulder. So 1/4 is the neckline. This is 1/4 is the neckline.
Okay.
Get it? So where is your shoulder?
1/4 neckline. Okay.
Yeah, the shoulder is between 1 and 2. The shoulder is between 1 and 2.
Second. Yeah, second.
Yeah, and between chin and the shoulder there is a neckline. Are you clear on this now? Yes, ma'am.
1/4 neckline, right?
Yeah, 1/4 is the neckline and 1.5 is the shoulder.
Okay.
Now is the little change.
Shoulder line.
Yeah, now is the little change. What's the change? Because this is a 10 head, this is not 8 head, this is not 8.5, this is not 9, this is not 9.5, this is 10 head. So that means our length of the croquis is long. So we will divide all the measurements starting from bust, waist to the hip position in an equal way. How we are going to do that? Because of our croquis is stretched, we are going to take our bust position, जो पहले हम 2 पे लेते थे, that will go down by 1/4. So the bust is going to be on 2/1/4. Bust is on 2/1/4 for both. It's for 10.5 also and it's for 10 head also. It's on 2/1/4. Write down. Get it? Lakshmi, you got it? Ritvik, you got it? Seema ji, you got it? So our 2/1/4 is bust apex.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 2/1/4 is our bust apex. Now we have to find after bust, what we find is our waistline.
Waist.
Yeah. So in 9 head and 9.5 head, where is the waistline on which number? Ritvik, Seema ji, can anybody tell me waistline is on which number in 9 and 9.5?
3, right?
Yes.
4 at hip line, right?
No.
At 4 hip
Yes,
line.
yes. 3 is the waistline, 4 is the hip line. But now we are talking about the waist. So in till 9.5, the waist is on 3. Between 10 head and 10.5 head, your bust has gone down by 1/4, 2/1/4. So here the waist is also go down. Waist also goes down by 1/4.
Yes,
So it's 3/1/4.
1/4.
Sides.
Now waist at 3/1/4, right?
Yes, yes. I'm going to draw the dotted lines for 3/1/4, the waist size. Now, talking about the hips. Now, what happens to the hips? Hips remains on the line 4, hip pelvic. Hip remains on 4 only, but the crotch goes down by 1/4. So for the crotch, I'm going to mark 1/4. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the crotch is on 4/1/4. Okay. So now, as I told you earlier, when we find our hip line and the crotch line, what next we find? What is the next thing that we have to mark? आज सीमा जी क्लास में नहीं लग रही है मुझे. सीमा जी आप कहाँ पे हो? आपकी आवाज भी नहीं आ रही.
What, ma'am? What, ma'am?
After hip line, after hip and crotch, what we mark?
Floor length.
Yes, floor length. Remember Lakshmi and Brithvik, after hip and crotch, we always mark our floor length. That is the last one. Floor length.
Yes, yes.
And
What about? Okay.
and to find our ankle, we go one head up. So from floor length, our ankle is gonna be on 9. Floor length is 10. Ankle is 9. And then how we get our knee? The center of hip and the ankle is our knee. So that is on 6.5, right? The hip and the ankle. Hip is on 4, ankle is on 9. So 6.5 is our center, and that is our knee. So I'm going to mark our knee. Clear on this?
Ma'am?
Yeah. 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, everyone, I'm going to send you the picture now. If possible, draw this structure because meeting is anyways getting over. And I'm going to schedule another call in another 10 minutes. In the meantime, please draw this and send me the picture. See, draw these measurements, understand these measurements.
Okay,
and
ma'am.
we'll take it further because I don't want to confuse you.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you getting my point? What I mean? Can you see me on the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you all see me on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what I said,
Yes, ma'am.
draw this structure with the names, with the measurements, and understand this structure for 10 and 10 for 10 head, and then we'll take it further. Draw this structure. I'm sending you the picture. And on the same ID, log in another 10 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sure,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I'm giving you 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you finish it and send me the picture.
Okay.
Yeah, log in on the same ID, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
I've drawn this center line. First, I will draw following the point of chin, I will draw the face shape, which is oval shape. My chin will fall onto this is the chin level. So my chin has fall on this. I'll make it a nice shape. I'll make a shape of a chin, straight line, curve, straight line, join to the V. This is how you make the shape. Now the next step is you have to make your shoulders. So for shoulders, from this center, you go out on both the sides by 3/4 inches. By 3/4 inches. 3/4, 3/4. So I'm going to mark a point which is 3/4 inches out from both the sides. Lakshmi, are you clear on this? On the shoulder, you go out on both the sides 3/4 inches.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then after
Same
shoulder,
like previous
yeah,
class, right?
yeah. After shoulder, you go out on your waistline. Waistline, you go out by 1/2 inches. So I've gone out by 1/2 inch, both the sides on waist. After shoulder, after waist, I will work on my hip line. On hip line, similar like shoulders, I will go out by 3.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, now you're audible.
Yeah.
It was stuck, I think.
Yeah. There is a cut down electricity at my place, so net is going off and on. So on the hip level, we went out on 3/4 inches both the sides, and after hip, we directly head on to our ankle. So on ankle, we go out by 1/4 inches both the sides. 1/4, 1/4, and on floor length, we go out by 1/2 inches both the sides. So 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. Now it is a time to join all the points. So before joining all the points, what we do is we figure out our neckline. So our neckline is the center of chin and shoulder. So from this point, I will first join the shoulders. Here, this way. And from shoulder, I will go on to my waistline. From waist to my hips line, and from the hips to the ankle, and from ankle to foot level. So when we go inside by 1/8, we form a shape of a knee. Here, similarly on this side also, I've gone inside by 1/8, 1/8, and I got my knee. So what happens when I do the shape from here, when I start from my hip line, my direction is towards my 1/8, like this, towards my 1/8. So I go like this.
Okay.
And from inside also, here I go towards my 1/8, towards my 1/8.
1/8.
My 1/8, right? So I go towards my 1/8, and from here also, this is my center.
Yeah.
So I go and join it here, wherever it lands. So I'm gonna go like this, and here like this, wherever it lands.
Okay.
This is how you make your leg. Now I will show you how to draw the leg. There is a formula to draw the leg.
Okay.
So you got the shape of a leg, and then when you flesh it out, you get a proper leg.
Yes.
Now I will show you how to draw the leg.
Actually, one second. While drawing this leg shape, where did you take 1/8 proportion?
Inside of the.
Inside. From outside you have to take inside. यहाँ से ये जो लाइन दिख रही है आपको,
Okay, that is for knees.
Yeah. See, क्या होता है ना? This is
Yeah.
Understand one more time. From hip, what we do is, because knee center में होते हैं, हमें knee के लिए अंदर आना पड़ता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? Hip से लेके ankle तक straight line draw करते हैं. Hip से लेके ankle तक जब straight line draw हो जाती है, तो उसका center हमें मिलता है knee का line. उस knee के line पे हम लोग ये जो हमारी बाहर की लाइन है वहां से 1/8 अंदर आते हैं दोनों तरफ से, and then we get our knee.
Okay.
अभी I will tell you how to draw the shape. अभी आप इसको जो curving करोगे, इसको जब आप shape दोगे तो इसका shape कैसे बनाते हैं? I will show you that now. So now, this is I'm drawing the waist. Now to draw the leg shape, understand first. Remember it's a curve. Then it goes inside. Then straight line, curve. I'll show you one more time, this side. So इसमें कैसे होता है? Let me tell you. Here you have your curve. One side you have your straight line. Again, here you have your curve, and here you have your straight line. If you follow this also, you will be able to understand how to draw the leg. Little curve.
Okay, both
Straight line.
Yeah.
the sides curve. Yeah.
Yes. Little curve, straight line. Again, I'll repeat.
We won't get both the sides curve.
No. Little curve, straight line. Then straight line, curve.
Okay.
Get it? ये formula है.
Now I got my mistake.
Yes. Nobody actually, many designers, they also don't know how to do this, but this is actually the formula. You have to form the curve, then the straight line, then the curve. So ये आपको अपने आप leg का shape देगा.
Okay.
And then for angle,
inner side it should be curved.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Sorry.
इसका फोटो मैं आपको भेज रही हूँ, इसको देख के प्रैक्टिस करो, अपने आप आपको लेग का शेप आएगा. अभी now I will follow the same method on this also. To give the shape, I will follow the same method on this. So अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, आपको इसी के ऊपर curving बता रही हूँ. I am showing the curving on this only.
Yeah.
So Lakshmi, you're there? Lakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
You're there? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now see, now I'm going to flesh it out. I'm actually doing it on the same sheet, but आपको अलग-अलग sheet पे करना है. मैं बस सिखाने के लिए आपको इसी पे बता रही हूँ अभी. आपको जब assignment में करना है तो आपको अलग sheet पे करना है. This is only mechanical. Or shall I do it on another sheet? What do you want, guys?
No, it's okay.
Sure, ma'am.
No, you do on this only, Vishali. It's okay.
Okay, so I will show you on this how but first, okay, I will just start doing it.
Can you please send me a screenshot?
Yeah. Actually, instead of screenshot, I think I'll take a picture. Hold on a second. My mobile is here. I'll take a picture. So we will have a copy of the rough version.
Ma'am, if any possible, can you please show me the ankle part?
Yes, yes, of course I will show you.
That figure ankle part.
Yes, yes, I will show you.
Okay. Mom, for any figure, the measurement for angles are same, right? Ankles
Yeah,
and
yeah. You
floor.
see, you go one head up for any figure you draw, starting from 9 head figures, not the 8 and 8.5. I'm not talking about those figure. I'm talking about starting from 9 head, because see, last time you missed the
Yeah.
9 head, right? But you saw the picture. In that, you can see when you find your floor length, you have to
Huh.
just go one head up to find your ankle. It's that simple.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So I'm going to start fleshing it out. Again, fleshing, please pay attention and just see how I'm shaping it. I'll start with the face. That's my chin, straight line, little curve, straight line, join to the chin. I've got my face. For the neckline, little curve inside, shoulder, I will land on the shoulders like a curve form. How did I draw my shoulders? Like this. I'll show you other side. Like this.
Hmm? Hmm?
But you have to follow these lines. That's why we draw this line. Shoulder to neckline we join, because to get the how droop is the shoulder. To understand that, we draw this neckline. Now after the shoulder, I will draw my armhole. This is called armhole. From armhole, I will draw the shape of my waist, from bust to waist, and I will do this nice curving around the bust. How I draw the shape of a waist from bust? Like, sit here, like this.
Semicircle. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, this one.
other side also same. Because the bust is fuller, the bust is bigger inside, so we'll draw little outside curve. The next thing what we are going to do is, we are going to draw the hips. So now I'm going to do it in a one go. Please watch it carefully. I'm going to come till knee line. Little curve on the edge, and see I'm following that line on the knee. Did you see how I did it? Curve. As I told you here, as
Yes,
I
ma'am.
told you here, the outside is curve and the straight line. And then straight line and the curve. Similar logic I will apply here.
Hmm.
So I have got my curve. Now here it is my straight line. Right? Now here straight line, then after I will form a curve. And then here it is my straight line.
Straight line.
See how beautiful the leg shape is. And now for ankle, what you do is you make little cross like this. Like this you make. And then you give the shape. I'm going to do same here. I've got my one side ready. For the second side again, on the hip, on the waist here, there's a slight curve, okay? There's a slight curve here. And then from that curve, I will go little curve here also on the hip, because our body parts are not pointed. It has to be curvy. It has to be curvy. So here again, I will go little curve, straight, curve, and total straight. And that's my knee. My knee is nicely intact here. My knee is nicely intact here.
Vishali,
Yeah.
near the knees,
Yeah.
totally 4 lines are all four. All the 4 lines are curve only, na? Just near that knees round you have done, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, here near the knees,
Yeah.
all the lines are curved, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They meet up like a curve because our body there is no.
See,
Because in our body there is no pointed structure. Everything goes like a curve. Everything flows in a curve. So it has to be finished in curve.
oh, okay.
Okay, now similarly for the hands, I will start from my shoulder. I will get onto my waistline. Start from the shoulder, get onto the waistline, and again. So, if you remember, last 2 sessions I've been telling the same thing, that our shape of the leg and our shape of the hand goes similar. The same structure is on the hand also. As you can see how I'm drawing, it's the same structure like the legs. You come inside, you go in, you get inside here like a tapered look, and then again you form another curve, get inside. What you have to do is you have to just follow the basic logic what I have taught you. Curve, straight line, curve. Just follow that logic and do the practice. You will be able to achieve the curves, right curves for the leg. And as I said, this is your beauty bone line, so I'm going to draw that. Here, my 10 head is ready. Now, applying the same logic. Now, you can see the 10 head. I will send you the picture as well. But do you see some logic? Can you think that as we did this 10 head, what could be the method to do the 10.5 head? Can anybody apply their logic? Especially people who attended last session of 9 head and 9.5 head. What could be the logic apply to make the mechanical of 10.5
Ma'am, at least we
head?
need to
What?
we need to come down at knees, right?
Yeah, but come down. But how
Come
to
down
find
at
the
knees,
knee?
right?
You got a point.
Actually,
I'm
I
very
saw the
happy,
picture. Some
Lakshmi.
difference is there.
Yeah, you got a point. I'm very happy. But then why? How much you have to come down? How much you have to come down at knee? That is the question. How you find the knee?
Half, right?
Half off?
Half, ma'am.
Yeah, half off.
9.5, right? Half of the 10, ma'am.
No.
No.
Actually, 10.5 is there, but
Yeah.
above 10.5, 10 is there, na? 9.5, ma'am.
Correct. And?
From ankle to hip.
Yes. Lakshmi.
Ankle to hip.
Yes. Lakshmi, I'm really happy you got
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
logic. You got the logic. From floor length, you come up by one head. That
Actually, I
is
saw the
9.5.
picture. Some difference is there, right?
Perfect.
Yeah.
So you come up by one head, that is 9.5.
Thank you, ma'am.
And 4 is your hip. So between 4 to 9.5, you mark the point, and that is gonna be your knee line. So what I'm doing is here,
Yes,
I will
yes,
just
ma'am.
tell you knee line. Knee line will come at 6. It will come at 6 3/4. Between 4 to 9.5, it will come to. Let me check. Yeah, it's coming 6 3/4. But have you got the logic now? Don't get ever confused, because this is the simplest way I can teach you in. This is the simplest way to understand. For each head, how do you find the knee? Because people are not sure where to find the knee. But knee is always in the center of hip and ankle. Have you got this, guys? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now for this task, we are doing something different. What we are doing is, now you have understood the structure of 10 head. Now I am giving you this challenge. Following the 10 head, you are going to make 10.5 head mechanical with the knee position. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm giving you another 2 minutes. Ask me
Yes,
questions.
ma'am.
कुछ भी क्वेश्चन से पूछो, लेकिन मुझे राइट 10.5 हेड बना के चाहिए आपसे. Ask me any question, knee related questions, any questions. Ask me. Any doubts? Any questions you have?
Today, no. Today, Lakshmi's question bank is not here, ma'am.
Oh, I'm missing that Lakshmi. Maybe this Lakshmi has understood the thing very well.
Ah.
Great. So, I'm giving you I'm giving you 15 minutes to make the 10.5 head. हो जाएगा 15 मिनट में?
Yeah.
Your challenge
जी.
starts now. Let me see who does the perfect job. I want to see कौन बराबर करके देगा. This is like a riddle to you. You have to sort this riddle. I want to see the right cookies. Let's see. Let's see who does it. All the best, guys. I'm sending you the picture of this also 10 head. But all the best to you.
Thank you.
Okay, send me
Thank
the picture on
you.
WhatsApp, and then after 15 minutes we'll set
Can we
another
know,
call
ma'am?
and we'll discuss who has done what. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can we leave now?
What?
Only the
Uh,
mechanical one,
Here
right?
or
Yeah, only mechanical you have to make. Only mechanical 10.5 head.
Okay.
Yeah? Lakshmi, you had any question?
no, ma'am.
Okay, all the best. I'm looking forward to the pictures on WhatsApp. Send me the images. Let me see what you have done. So let me just go through the sketches what you have sent. Seema ji, let me do
Yes.
yours. You have got the measurements correct.
From?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Only Ridvik has done some mistake, and also Lakshmi has also done the mistake. I'll tell you what's the mistake. Lekin I will go one by one.
Okay.
Seema ji, talking
Okay.
about your mechanical croquis. First thing is that आपने जो head बनाया है वो नेबुला की तरह बनाया है. एक वो अलग planet से लोग आते हैं ना, वैसे लग रहा है. वो दृश्य कोई मूवी में है ना, कोई वो नेबुला दिखा है. Alien, yeah. So it's looking like alien. So I'm sending you one picture for this. आप उसे follow करके make the shape like that. Seema ji, I am sending you that picture of a head. Please follow this. और ऐसे बनाने की कोशिश करो. और ना अपना एक थोड़ा सा logic. Everybody, this is for everyone. While making the shape of the head, apply your logic. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
एकदम broad. अगर आप just imagine you see a person who is slim and he's got a broad face. कैसे दिखेगा? She will not look nice. तो फेस कैसा होना चाहिए? अपने बॉडी के साथ प्रोपोर्शनेट होना चाहिए. सो नाउ यू नो यू आर मेकिंग दिस मच ऑफ लेंथ, सो यू शुड गेट दैट आइडिया कि आपको कितना विड्थ का बनाना है. ज्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं, ज्यादा छोटा भी नहीं. सो दिस विल डेवलप आउट ऑफ द प्रैक्टिस. Yeah, there is a certain measurement that you can go out one side 1 centimeter, other side 1 centimeter, but I myself don't follow that because I know, looking at the proportion, I know I want to give her this much width of face. तो ये आपको डिसाइड करना है. और वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली सीमा जी, जैसे आपने ये फेस कुछ अजीब ही ड्रॉ किया था, वैसे मत ड्रॉ कीजिए. मैं हमेशा आपको बताती हूँ, यू हैव टू गो लिटिल वी. लुक हियर, यू हैव टू गो लिटिल वी, देन स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड देन कर्व द स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड जॉइन टू द वी. ऐसे बनाओ. ओके?
Okay. एक्चुअली एक बात बोलूं प्लीज, लिसन, मेरी क्रुकी पूरी एलियन ही लग रही है, इट्स नॉट लुकिंग लाइक
नहीं मैं आपको बताती हूँ, इसमें अगर आप दो चेंजेस करोगे ना, दो नहीं 3 चेंजेस, इसमें आपको 3 चेंजेस की जरूरत है उसको प्रॉपर क्रूकी दिखाने के लिए। सबसे पहले आपको फेस के शेप पे काम करना है। द सेकेंड थिंग, आपने जो बस्ट एपेक्स है उसके बाजू में जो छोटे छोटे राउंड ड्रॉ किए हैं वो टोटली रॉन्ग है। सी माई स्केच एंड मेक इट अ फुल सर्कल ना, मेक इट अ फुल सर्कल। फुल सर्कल होता है, इतना छोटा छोटा नहीं बनाते, फुल सर्कल बनाते हैं। सी माई स्केच, कंपेयर विद माई स्केच, फुल सर्कल बनाओ। और सेकेंडली आपने जो नी पे बनाया है, नी का पोजीशन यू हैव गॉट इट राइट, बट नी का भी आपने राउंड बनाया है, हमें राउंड नहीं बनाना है। हमारा नी का भी जो शेप रहता है वो ऐसे बड़ा सा लाइक इलोंगेटेड सर्कल होता है, इलोंगेटेड सर्कल, नॉट द ओवल शेप, इलोंगेटेड सर्कल। जो मैंने आपको स्केच भेजा है ना नी लेग का, उसमें देखो मैंने कैसे नी का शेप बनाया है, इट इज इलोंगेटेड सर्कल। सर्कल नहीं बनाना है, सर्कल को स्ट्रेच करके बनाना है। गेट इट एंड मेक इट ब्रॉडर। साइड में 1 एज छोड़ो, इस साइड में 1 एज छोड़ो और उसी के बीच में बिठाओ, देन यूर क्रूकी विल लुक अमेजिंग। अभी आपको क्या करना है सीमा जी, इसी क्रूकी के ऊपर आपको ये इरेज करना है। क्या क्या इरेज करोगे? नी का वो गोल गोल इरेज कर दो। हाँ, नी का जो राउंड राउंड किया वो इरेज करो। हाँ, हेड वो इरेज करके मुझे अच्छे से उसके ऊपर ही बना के आपको दिखाना है। दूसरी एक मिस्टेक नहीं बोल सकते, दूसरी एक चीज आपकी गलत है, मैंने अभी देखी वो। जस्ट सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हैंड्स। जैसे एवरीबडी, योर हैंड्स रिस्ट फॉल ऑन टू योर क्रॉच लाइन, करेक्ट? अगर रिस्ट क्रॉच पे गिरती है, आपने देखो आपके स्केच में क्रॉच पे अगर रिस्ट गिराई है तो आपने सिर्फ फिंगर्स बाहर दिखाए हैं, बाकी का हाथ दिखाया ही नहीं, बाकी का पाम किधर गया? पाम किधर गया? तो ये क्रूकी लगेगी ही नहीं ना। So show the entire palm, and that palm should join to number 5.
Yes.
पाम का जो फिंगर है ना वो नंबर 5 पे टच होना चाहिए, नंबर 5 लाइन पे टच होना चाहिए, तो फिर आपकी लगेगी प्रॉपर क्रूकी।
इतनी 1 इंच की क्रूकी होती है क्या? सॉरी, हैंड्स होते हैं क्या?
1 इंच नहीं, रिस्ट है ना अपना, रिस्ट क्रॉच पे आएगा, बराबर?
3/4।
हाँ, 3/4 होता है।
हाँ, 3।
इतना तो लगता है ना अपने हैंड के लिए, पाम के लिए पूरा। मैंने आपको जो रेफरेंस ड्राइंग भेजा है मेरा, उसमें देखो मैंने कैसे बनाया है। दैट इज द बेस्ट वे टू ड्रॉ हैंड्स। हम पूरे हैंड नहीं बनाते क्योंकि दिस इज नॉट लेवल फॉर यू टू मेक द एंटायर फिंगर्स एंड ऑल। अभी हम वैसे ही ड्रॉ करते हैं।
या
सी माय स्केच। सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट योर करेक्शन। आपको आपके करेक्शन समझ में आ गए?
या Thank you so much.
No problem. Now, Lakshmi, let's head on to your what you have done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, darling, आपने face, first of all, many congratulations. You have done the face, head shape very right. काफी हद तक अच्छा बनाया है. Only thing is, make sure that you make a V. यहाँ पे थोड़ा V shape दो. You know, draw the V shape.
Okay.
हाँ, whenever you start, listen this tip. सब लोग सुनो ये tip. जब भी आप हेड शेप बनाने जाते हो ना, तो वो जो 2 स्ट्रेट नेक लाइन होती है ना, उसको पकड़ के सबसे पहले अगर वी ड्रॉ करोगे ना, वी का कर्वी वी, तो हेड शेप इज वेरी इजी टू ड्रॉ। बट अगर आप ऊपर से हेड ड्रॉ करके सोचोगे मैं उसको नेक लाइन में मिलाऊंगा, तो वो शेप विल गो रॉन्ग। पहले वैसे वी ड्रॉ करो 2 लाइंस पे, वी को एक्सटेंड करके ऊपर सर्कल कर दो। ओके, दैट इज हाउ यू मेक द हेड। दैट इज जस्ट अ टिप फॉर यू। Secondly, let me see. आपने लक्ष्मी, you haven't marked the bust apex center, तो वो बाद में bust apex center डाल देना।
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
There is exactly, I thought this is the mistake. देखते सीमा जी ने क्या किया है, 1 मिनट। Let me see what सीमा जी has done. Yes, सीमा जी ने भी वही किया है।
What? क्या किया?
बताती हूँ। Okay, here it is the same actually. Okay, I got it. आपको देखो, आपको और एक बात करनी है। सीमा जी एंड लक्ष्मी दोनों याद रखो, आपका जो बस्ट एपेक्स का लाइन है ना, वी गॉट अ न्यू बस्ट एपेक्स, राइट? वी गॉट अ न्यू बस्ट एपेक्स विच इज ऑन 2/4। तो अभी जब आप हैंड ड्रॉ करते हो ना, तो हैंड का 1 पॉइंट इज ऑन द शोल्डर, 1 पॉइंट अटैच टू द शोल्डर, द अदर पॉइंट इट विल गो ऑन टू द बस्ट एपेक्स लाइन। बस्ट एपेक्स का जो आउटलाइन है उधर जाएगा। नहीं समझे?
No.
I will send you the picture. Wait, I will send you the picture. I have a picture here. मैं आपको पिक्चर फोटो में मार्क करके भेजती हूँ।
What you are trying to tell? I mean,
आप जब हैंड ड्रॉ करते हो ना, I will send you the picture. Hold on. Okay, I got the picture. I'm sending it to everyone. I'm marking what actually I'm talking about. सीमा जी आपको सेंड किया है, ऋत्विक को ऑल्सो आई एम सेंडिंग। या मिल गया आपको? वो जो एरो दिख रहा है ना आपको रेड में, that point I am talking about. Lakshmi, you also must have got it. That arrow you see in the red, the point, that point I am talking about. One point is attaching to the shoulder. The
Okay.
And the other point should match to your bust apex.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, it should. Bust apex is in that bust apex line.
Okay.
That's your armhole. आपका armhole ये जो है ना, second.
Yeah, ma'am.
It follows the line of your bust apex.
Yes, ma'am. That's right.
Okay, it's simple. So basically the logic is, when you get the bust apex point, bust line, the number 2 doesn't exist. You have to consider 2/4 only for drawing armhole, for drawing bust shape. Everything is 2/4 for 10. Get it? So you understood how to make the lines, how to join the lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is one thing for both of you. Let me see what Ritwik has done.
Okay, ma'am.
Ritwik, for you also. I think actually from my side only
Yes,
it has
ma'am.
happened. I think yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of yes. I will correct that and I'll send.
Actually, it comes from. See, ma'am. Can I tell you, ma'am?
Please tell me.
Actually, we need to draw from shoulder line to till bust apex, but we draw it shoulder line to above the bust point. That's the mistake, right?
Yes. We have to end at the bust apex. The second line will end at the first one is on the shoulder. We start from the shoulder. The first line and the second line we should start from the bust apex point. As I said,
but then the hands will be very broad.
No. It won't be. It won't be. It won't be broad. आपको मैंने जो फोटो भेजी है वो देखो.
एक मिनट.
I'm sending you another picture. See this 10 head. Refer this one.
No, I saw. Okay.
Refer this entire one. I have sent you guys another one. Whom I sent it? Seema ji only. I'll send it to Lakshmi also. Lakshmi and Ritwik, please refer to this picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever measurements we learned today are
yes, I got
right. Yeah, only the thing is for the bust apex, for that shoulder, for drawing the hands, we have to do the second line from the bust line point only.
Yeah. Actually, I got the point.
Great.
After this picture.
Yes.
Only
great.
I got the point.
And same thing for Lakshmi. You have also drawn very small circle on the
Yes, ma'am.
circle on this what do you call it, knee.
Knee.
Yeah, why you guys
Knee
are
का
being so miser?
knee.
इतना कंजूस क्यों हो रहे हो? जरा बड़े बड़े अच्छे elongated broad वाले knee निकालो ना. It will look
Okay,
nice.
sure, ma'am.
Yes,
Sure, ma'am.
सीमा जी.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, सीमा जी, you did the right thing. आपने जो
Yes.
लेफ्ट साइड का किया है वो राइट है, राइट साइड का भी
Okay.
करेक्ट करो.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
Okay.
और मुझे आपका
okay,
प्लीज
okay. वही
फेस
बस
का.
चेक करवाना था कि ये करो.
गुड गुड गुड, वेरी गुड. शैल आई सेंड इट टू. अच्छा सीमा जी,
Okay, thank
दूसरी
you.
एक चीज आपको बतानी है. आपके इसमें आपने एक और एक गलत किया है.
Yes.
ये पॉइंट जो अभी आपने ड्रॉ किया है वो स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं दिख रहा है. जो पॉइंट अभी आपने ड्रॉ किया है वो कर्व में ऐसे टेढ़ा जा रहा है. उसे स्ट्रेट लीजिए नीचे. स्ट्रेट लेके रिस्ट पे डालिए. स्ट्रेट लेके रिस्ट पे आना चाहिए.
Yeah. हाँ, वो
है ना?
एक्चुअली ओनली द अबाउ थिंग मैंने करेक्ट किया है.
That's
या
good.
ओनली
That's
दैट
not
थिंग
right.
मैंने नीचे का इरेज नहीं किया.
गुड. नो,
या
ऐसा मत करो.
या ओनली
ऐसे मत करो. हाँ.
टू चेक.
And,
ओके.
लक्ष्मी डार्लिंग, आप स्टार्टिंग में ना
हाँ,
पेंसिल
ma'am.
से करो. डोंट यूज पेन इनिशियली. ओके.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, बिकॉज यू आर लर्निंग, राइट? सो इन लर्निंग प्रोसेस देयर आर चांसेस दैट यू डू मिस्टेक, देन यू
Yes,
कांट
yes,
erase it, then you'll have to make everything again.
Okay, ma'am.
So do it with the
Okay.
pencil, and once you are confident enough,
I'll
then
draw.
do it with the pen. Lakshmi, you have done.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I think you
Monday
have
I'll submit neat one, ma'am.
I'm going to tell you when you have to submit that at the end. But one more mistake you have done, I think, because I can't see it is
Okay.
6.5. What is your knee point? What's the measurement of the knee point? It's not written here. You have drawn the knee on 6.5?
6.5, ma'am. 6.5.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Listen the logic. I will repeat this
Okay.
again for everyone. Your knee is the
Okay.
center of hip
Okay.
and ankle.
Okay. Okay. Center of hip and ankle. Okay. Hip and ankle. Okay.
So what is
Hip is
here?
here at 4th
Here in
point.
10.5, your knee is
1,
on
2,
6
3.
3/4.
Mm.
Rest all measurements are
Okay.
fine. Yeah, rest
Little
everything
bit.
you have done right. Seema ji,
Okay, ma'am.
for the position of
Okay.
your
Yes.
hand के जो palms है, fingers and the palm, उसके position के लिए I'm sending you the Lakshmi's what she has done. उसने देखो right किया है. I'm sending you her picture for the reference.
Okay. Yeah.
So that you will get better idea. Lakshmi, good job. Except you done the wrong thing in the knee.
Yeah, ma'am.
Knee ka measurement. You done the good job except the
Yeah,
knee
ma'am,
measurement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sending yours for
We'll change
file to
and
Seema ji.
we'll draw a new pattern.
No problem. Good. बाकी
Yeah,
आपको better
Actually,
है. सीमा जी मिल गया देखो
Ma'am.
आपने.
actually, knee is at 3.
Yeah. I saw Rishali. Okay. I got the idea now.
Great.
I'll correct it and
Uh-huh.
send.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Ma'am, actually, knee point is 6 3 by 4, right?
6 3/4. Yeah. the
Not
six-
6.5.
No.
6 3 by 4.
See, listen,
Okay.
Lakshmi, listen
Okay.
again. Knee is always between hip and the ankle.
Yeah.
The middle of hip and ankle.
Okay.
Okay. The middle of
Okay.
hip and ankle is the knee. उसके बीच में आता है ना knee. Hip और ankle के बीच में knee आता है. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now talking about Ritvik. Ritvik, can you just say something? Let me know if you're there. Ritvik, you have done the head shape is right. Hand का आपका ना वही same thing that from bust apex you have to make the line. Rest I told you that आपने crotch से join किया था ankle को. Ankle कभी crotch से join नहीं होता. Hip point से ankle join होता है. Not from the crotch point. Remember, hip point to the ankle. ये अभी हमेशा याद रखना. And knee का shape सुधारना. Knee का जो आपने round किया है, knee हमेशा इतना सा नहीं होता हमारा. अपने बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर में देखो, नी थोड़ा बड़ा साइज होता है, इतना सा राउंड कोई नहीं बनाता. ठीक है, and rest is all good. So everybody has got it. Well done, guys. This is done nicely. अभी इसके ऊपर आपको जो कर्व्स बनाने हैं, फ्लैश करना है, that I'm leaving on to you. Because अभी क्या हुआ ना, I purposely give you this task because अगर मैं बनाती जाती आप सिर्फ हाँ 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 बोलते और मिस्टेक कर देते. I gave you the task कि आप 10.5 बनाओ. Let me clear, let me see, and now I got to clear your mistakes and I hope you understood that. So अभी हमें क्या करना है? सबसे पहली बात, if you can submit me this by today evening, late evening भी submit करो चलेगा. You have to submit me mechanical 9.5, mechanical only, okay? I'm not talking about fleshing. 9.5 mechanical and 10 and 10.5 head mechanical with proper round, like nebula का face मत बनाना, alien का वगैरह face मत बनाना, shoulder का कैसे attachment होता है वो देखना, wrist के बाद हाथ का shape इतनू सा मत बनाना, बड़ा ठीक से 1 head बनाना, 3/4 head बनाना. और दूसरा क्या था, knee का, and for the knee follow the shape which I have given you. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, for a 10.5 headed figure also, I draw. For 10.5 headed figure, I draw knees at 6.5 only, but I don't get the point, ma'am. What you said that between hip and ankle you told.
Okay. I will tell you. You
What's the
just know
exact
this.
point?
I
ma'am,
will
to
tell
draw
you. That's good you asked me. Let me tell you.
Okay.
1 second. Let me just pull out 1 second.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshmi, you can see my sketch right here. Now here what you see is the hip point.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is my hip point, right? This is my hip level. Number
Okay.
4.
Yes, ma'am.
This is number 4, right?
4.
This is 10 head. But number 4 is my
Yes,
hip.
ma'am.
Number 4 is my hip. Now my
Yes,
ankle
ma'am.
is where? Ankle is 1 head up from the floor length, which is on number 9. This are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now measure the distance from number 4 to number 9. Number 4 to number 9 is,
Okay.
I think it's coming, let me see. Number 4 to
2.5.
number 9. It's total 5 inches. Number 4 to number 9 is 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5. So number 4 to number 9 is 5 inches. So when I divide 5 inches by 2, 5 inches into half,
Okay.
how much it is? 5 by 2?
Okay.
2.5
inches.
So between hip
2.5
and
inches, right?
yeah. So from hip point, I will draw 2.5 point, which is here. Which is, what does it mean overall? What does it mean overall? The knee is half of, knee is the center of hip and ankle. Knee is the center of hip and ankle.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly,
Okay.
for 10.5 also, 10.5 also, first of all, number 4 is the hip. Okay. Number 4 is the hip and the ankle comes on, you only said ankle comes on 9.5, correct? 1 head up, 9.5.
10.5. Yeah.
Ankle is 9.5.
Yes, ma'am.
So between 4 to 9.5,
yes, ma'am.
there is a distance of 5.5 inches.
5.5.
Yes, so you will take a center of 5.5 and that is going to be your knee. And the center of 5.5, when you count from the top, from 0, it comes to 6 3/4.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Get it?
Yes, ma'am.
My mouth
Okay,
has
ma'am.
started paining.
Yes, ma'am. I get. Sorry, ma'am.
No, you don't have to. Sorry, I love to explain you things. Okay, so that's it. So what you have to do is,
You have a lot of classes, right?
yeah, I have a lot of patience. So what you have to do is by today, guys, please make sure 9, 9.5 head, 10, 10.5 head, mechanical, send me. मतलब 2 शीट पे बनेंगे बराबर, 2 शीट्स
Okay.
पे होगा. One sheet 9, 9.5, another one is 10, 10.5. Send me the mechanical. If the mechanical is right, then I will tell you about fleshing.
Okay.
Yeah, first do the mechanical right, then उसके ऊपर fleshing करोगे.
Okay.
All right, then we are set for the today. And I really want you to do this, because if you are clear about 10, 10.5, then only you will be able to draw 12 and 12.5. It is the same concept, but it is not difficult. It's very easy. If you know 10 and 10.5, I guarantee you can draw 12 and 12.5 easily. In fact, you will say that it is so easy.
Okay.
Yeah, you will say that it is so easy, but then
Okay.
you need to understand 10, 10.5. That is the same formula for 12.5 also. But first practice करो 10, 10.5. ये weekend में हम यही करेंगे. 10, 10.5, 9, 9.5.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I think Lakshmi, you have some question.
Okay, ma'am.
You have some question, Lakshmi. Your okay was not confident.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, actually, I have my yoga classes from 6 to 7:30. That's why I'm thinking.
Oh.
Can it submit this assignment tomorrow morning?
Okay, fine, no problem. Submit it tomorrow morning. No problem. Submit it
Okay,
tomorrow
okay,
morning
ma'am.
or
Thank you
tomorrow
so much.
afternoon will also do, but submit it. Okay, then after you do that, then I can correct you and then you can
Okay,
do the
ma'am. Sure,
flashing.
ma'am. Sure.
Okay. All right then.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yes.
Thank
Ridvik,
you.
you
Thank
have
you,
any
ma'am.
questions?
Okay.
Ridvik, you have any questions?
No, ma'am.